Man, what a lousy grill. Looks like it's made out of Lego bricks, bro. Him going downtown to cop a new one, Yale. Hey, how did I get here? Hey, what's the big idea?
Hello sir, my name is Mr. Cardude. I couldn't help overhearing your grill problem, and I've got the perfect thing just for you. Behold. The Jaybird.
That thing's hideous.
Oh, contraire mon frère. This baby is packed with everything: a cooler, a spice rack, a built-in battery, and it opens and closes like a boss.
I'm still not convinced.
Did I mention it's portable?
Done and done.
Hey wait, you gotta pay for that.